Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. This watch was sent over by Core Timepieces. It's their new GMT, and I believe it's using the Seiko NH34 movement. So let's get this opened up and check it out. Let me pull this off to the side here so I don't hit the camera. Alright, so there's the watch there. Okay, let's figure out how to open this box up. Hit it upside down, which makes sense because I opened the box upside down. So yes, Core Timepieces. Give her a nice little box here. Very nice. Orange dial. Orange is the best color, so of course I had to get it in orange. It's offered in green and I think black and gray as well. Let me zoom in here a bit. Oh, looks like it comes with a Barton strap as well. I didn't realize that, so that's cool. Looks like some stickers. Yeah, so this is the Fury, so that makes sense. Fury GMT mechanical watch. So it says it has Lumibright. If we talked about the movement or not. Sorry, just looking at this to see if I can figure out what movement is in here. I'm pretty sure it's the NH34, so I'll look into all that and report it out in the full video. So let's close this box up. Put it off to the side here. Oh, so that's neat. It's I don't know what color that would be. It almost looks like a purple or something, or dark gray. Then you have the black down the middle there. Interesting bracelet and case color here. It's not stainless steel. I'm sure it's a stainless steel case, but the finishing looks to be a different color than just regular stainless steel. A little bit thick here. Okay, no protection on the crystal there. And it is a bi-directional bezel, so that's a nice touch. I think there was 8 clicks. Or 7, interesting. I don't have to figure out how many clicks there are on this watch here, but it is bi-directional, so that's nice. Maybe it's titanium. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. Okay, let's see what it says on the case back here. Die of nothing but a passion to live. Okay, so it is titanium. All right. So I was wrong when I said stainless steel. Yeah, I started thinking it felt a little light to be stainless steel. So it is a titanium case. GMT. Automatic. Sapphire crystal. Water resistant 30 ATM. So water resistant to 300 meters. Okay, I didn't realize this was going to be titanium, so that's cool. Oh, okay, so the GMT hand is hidden under the minute hand there. So let's get this wound up. So that GMT hand did move when I had the crown pulled the next position out. So it's a office GMT, which means that the GMT hand moves around independently of the other hands. But a traveler's GMT, you could move the local time hour hand independently of the GMT hand. So this direction should move the GMT hand, and if I turn the other way, it should move the date. So yes. Pull it all the way out. So it looks to be a domed sapphire crystal. If I tilt it this way, you should see the distortion. Let me zoom in and I'll show you the dial texture. Okay, screwing the crown down now. Just a little bit of an issue getting it set in there. So definitely some nice dial texture on here. And then you have those applied indices. Then you have that Core logo over there at the 9 o'clock, which is offset, or the opposite side of the date here. Yeah, so very neat. And when I saw pictures, I was concerned that the lower portion of the bezel here was red, but it looks like it's orange, maybe more of a burnt orange. And then the center, the dial is more of a brighter orange. So it looks pretty good though, I like it. Let me know what you think of this watch. Kind of some interesting styling here, a little bit different from what you would normally see on watches from a major brand, not a micro brand like this. So very neat. And then you have these quick release bracelet links, which maybe I shouldn't have done. Let's see if we can get it back in there, and I'll get this on wrist and close out the video. It's supposed to be a quick video. So in between the lugs is kind of squared off, so it should look good with a rubber strap or a NATO strap, or any bracelet with straight end links, but then the color is not going to match. I think I got it back on there. Nope. Now let me get that put back in there. Alright, I got it back in there. So let's zoom out, get this on wrist, and then we'll close out the video here. A lot of bracelet links. Let's see, looks to be push pin, a split pin. So I'll have to knock a few of them out to fit my 6.5-inch wrist, but there we go. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. That will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.